Hello again. This will be the second part. Just because I don't know how to edit videos. So if someone could help me out, that will much appreciate it. But now let's see how the installation came along. So there's the hope you guys can see, but I add a extra pipe because this muffler is a little smaller, so I add extra pipe like 15 inches, and it has one clamp, two clamps, and three clamps. No welding because I don't have a welder. Someone wanna sponsor me. Just kidding. So now let's hear how it sounds. Some gas in it and see. It's not that loud like it said, but at least I replace it, and I learned how to replace mufflers without welder, I guess. Thanks for watching, guys. The mess that I made always